everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So as we know that we are around our examination timing, so it's very important for us to stay focused. So in this lecture I'll be sharing with you all some of the tips that you could use to stay focused while preparing. These tips would help you out in one way or the other, so stick to this video and just try to have the points collected as per your requirements. The very first thing that comes to our mind while preparing for the CSIR examination or any other examination that you are preparing for, it is the negative thoughts. That is, all the time we have a fear in our mind that whether we would be able to qualify or not and what would be the result. Most of us have this fear that what the result would be, that is, we procrastinate even before that particular thing is done. So the very first point while being focused is try to avoid your negative thoughts and do not procrastinate about that what your result would be. Focus upon जो day हमारे पास है, that is, focus upon the time that you have. Focus upon that how could you utilize these days in the best possible way without wasting them over the negative thoughts that are of no use to us. So the very first tip that I would like to give you is that try to avoid the negative thoughts and try to not procrastinate and just focus upon the day that you have and try to get the best out of it. The next important tip that I could give you for staying focused is have a clean desk. This is very important. Reason being, cleanliness plays a major role for our brain to function more properly, and always study on the table and chair. Do not study while lying down on the bed or when you are munching something on your sofa. No, try to avoid it. Always study on table and chair. So this is how my study table used to look like when I used to prepare. So I used to have all my important points जो मैं कभी कभार भूल रही थी to be pasted down on the wall right in front of me so that I do not skip them off. So that is very important. And also always have a clean desk. You can see cleanliness is very important, and also always have a clock by your side. Reason being, it would help you to track that how much time is left for you in that particular day. So this is the next point that you could follow for your preparation. The next thing is have a planned day. I have focused upon planning and strategy from the very first time since I have started uploading the videos. So planning is very important. Always have a planning in your hand for a single day. That is, एक डे के अंदर आपको करना क्या है, दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ वी आर ऑलमोस्ट इन द मिडल ऑफ जुलाई, so it's very important that you have a complete planning in your hand for your revision format. Reason being, you never know when we would be getting our examination dates, maybe tomorrow itself. So it's very important that you have a planning in your hand, that how you have to prepare and how you have to proceed in a particular day. So this was about having a plan today, and more about planning I have discussed about it a lot of times, so you can watch other videos for the same matter. The next important tip that I could give you at this particular point is that sleep well. Sleeping well is very important. Make sure you have 7 to 8 hours of sleep every single day. Reason being, if you sleep well, your mind would get the ample amount of rest it wants, and also it would function better in the next day. So it's very important that you should sleep well. Most of us make this mistake, or most of the students tends to skip off their sleep while the exam is near the corner. So but I would suggest you do not skip your sleep even if the exam is the next day. Take proper 7 to 8 hours of sleep so that your mind can work properly. Mind requires rest for working properly, and that could be done only by sleeping well. The next important tip that I could give you, that in addition to sleeping well, also eat healthy and on time. Do not skip your meals. Food and sleep are the fuel for our body, and if our body is healthy, we would be able to study more focused. We would be able to study in a more focused manner. So it's very important to have good sleep and also eating good foods. So you can see, eat better, feel better, and by feeling better you can study better. So it's very important for you to eat healthy. So the next important tip that I could give you, hydrate yourself. In addition to sleeping and eating, hydration is also very important. These points sound irrelevant for your preparation, but trust me, they play a very important role for functioning of your brain, and brain is something that you require throughout your preparation. Hence, it's very important that we give ample amount of ingredients to our brain to function, and one of them is water. Our body requires water, and also it's very humid outside, so it's very important that you hydrate yourself in the sufficient amount and give your body ample amount of water so that it could function properly. So the next thing is hydrate yourself. Next is be confident in yourself. Do not doubt yourself. Have this confidence in yourself that yes, you can do it, and do not feel demotivated by that exam में क्या होगा, जो होगा देखा जाएगा. Point is, be confident about what you have studied, and also be confident about that how much you have studied till now would give you positive results in the examination. Never doubt your capability. You never know that how much capabilities you have, and you can qualify this examination. So for that, be confident and do not doubt yourself. These things are very important. Next is keep calm. Whenever you study, do not be in a hurry. Do not think about that you are losing out something. No, everything is fine. Just keep calm, keep studying, and also stay motivated. So this is something from my study table itself. This is something I had on my study table. I like these colorful things being pasted. So this is something I made, and it says I can do it. Very important. Speak up to yourself that yes, you can do it. Next is dream big. Never think about that you cannot achieve something. Just always be focused upon that what you can achieve, and always dream big. Stay positive. Never ever give yourself any negative thoughts. Our brain has the capacity to multiply. If you give it one negative thought, it would amplify into 1,000. So instead of that, give your mind some positive thoughts, and it would multiply itself, and it would give you some benefits its only. Next is focus and smile. That is, if you're preparing, never ever think that you have only to study. No. Take your time, relax, and also do not forget to smile, because smile is something that could be a very positive booster for your preparation. So I hope this particular slide would help you to understand that how these words could work as magic. These words have no meaning to themselves, but when these things are pasted on your wall somewhere or the other, it gets reminded in your mind. So whenever your mind starts to divert towards the negative thought, it returns back to that no, you have to stay positive and you have to stay confident for your preparation. So this was all that I wanted to share in this particular video. I hope this small pep talk would help you out in your preparation in some way or the other. So thank you so much everyone for joining, and also all the very best for your preparation. I am trying my level best to help you all out in the best manner possible. So do not forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. It's all free. So take the advantage of free content that I post on my YouTube channel, and also all the free mock tests that I provide to you all on the Telegram channel. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video, and I'll see you very soon with more informative videos as well. So till then, take care, stay healthy, and also keep studying. Bye.